this group of kids, with their energy that is coming out here after raising money and building birdhouses and planters and getting all the plants in the pots and freshening up our garden area, is going to be such a blessing for our patients and families.
So our core values are Christ-centered, biblically based, academically excellent, and service-driven. So this is what our DNA is coming out here and serving. The families donated the funds for all of the flowers and the flower pots and the tools. Brownswood Nursery on Johns Island donated a large portion of the plants that we're planting out here today. Just really believe that's our DNA, and that's what makes us distinct and different, and what's going to change the world.
We have one of the patients right now sitting outside watching the kids work, bringing all this energy into the building and into the area. We depend so much on donations and people helping us out. This is something that, is going to really bless our patients and bless our organization.